If you think you have seen every car gadget on the internet, prepare to be humbled because we have dug even deeper into the Amazon marketplace to find the next generation of automotive engineering tools that don't just accessorize your car, they fundamentally evolve it. And since I spend hours hunting down this tech so you don't have to, hitting that subscribe button is the best way to join the family and support the hustle. So let's get into it, starting right now with number 15, the retractable 4-in-1 fast car charger, which solves the single most annoying problem in modern driving, cable clutter, by integrating two retractable 2.5-foot cables, USB-C and Lightning, directly into a sleek hub that plugs into your 12-volt socket, along with two extra ports, allowing you to charge 4 devices simultaneously at 100-watt speeds, while the cables snap back into the housing instantly when you're done, keeping your center console looking like a minimalist showroom rather than a snake pit of wires. For those who want to communicate with other drivers without road rage, number 14 is the gesture-controlled LED hand light, a remote-controlled display that sticks to your rear window and allows you to flash 3 distinct hand gestures: an open palm for thanks, a rock-on sign for vibes, and yes, a certain middle finger for when someone cuts you off, utilizing 176 bright orange LEDs that are visible day or night to give your car a voice and a personality. If you want to make your old key fob look like it belongs to a BMW 7 Series, number 13 is the Universal Smart Touchscreen Key Fob, a DIY kit where you solder your old key's chip into a new housing that features a vivid LCD touchscreen, allowing you to lock, unlock, and pop the trunk with swipe gestures, while also tracking your steps, showing your phone number if lost, and giving your 2010 Honda the pocket jewelry of a 2026 spaceship. Visibility is everything, which is why number 12 converts your standard mirror into a 4K streaming rearview mirror dash cam, a massive 12-inch touchscreen that clips over your existing mirror and displays a crystal-clear wide-angle video feed from a rear-mounted camera, eliminating blind spots caused by headrests or pillars, and recording both front and rear views simultaneously with Sony Starvis night vision sensors that see better in the dark than your own eyes. If you ever need to load gear onto your roof rack but can't reach the top, number 11 is the foldable car door latch step, a heavy-duty aluminum pedal that hooks instantly into your car's door latch striker, creating a rock-solid platform capable of supporting 400 pounds so you can step up and reach the roof box easily. Featuring a rubber backing to protect your paint and a built-in glass breaker tip for emergencies. Aesthetics matter, which is why number 10 is the Dynamic Hood Beam LED Strip, a flexible, waterproof light bar that installs in the gap between your hood and grille, performing a Knight Rider-style scanning animation when you start the car before settling into a solid white daytime running light, giving even an economy car the menacing, modern unibrow look of a Lucid Air or Rivian. Overheating phones are a plague of summer driving, so number 9 is the Cryo-Cooling MagSafe vent mount, which doesn't just hold your iPhone, it actively refrigerates it using a Peltier semiconductor chip and a silent fan that pulls heat away from the back of your phone while wirelessly charging it at 15W, ensuring your maps never lag and your battery health stays perfect even in direct sunlight. If you hate the feeling of a slippery or hot steering wheel, number 8 is the Alcantara steering wheel wrap kit, but not the cheap slip-on kind. This is a stitch-on kit that gives you the exact same Italian suede material found in Ferraris and Lamborghinis, providing superior grip and sweat absorption while making your cockpit feel like a race car for a fraction of the cost of a new wheel. Parking a trailer or backing into a tight spot is effortless with number 7, the wireless magnetic Hitch camera, a battery-powered camera with a powerful magnetic base that you can stick anywhere on your bumper or tailgate, transmitting a lag-free HD video feed directly to your smartphone so you can line up a trailer ball perfectly on the first try without a spotter. Security is paramount, and number 6 protects your valuables with the Biometric Console Gun Safe, a slim steel-reinforced vault that fits inside your center console or under a seat, opening in 0.5 seconds with a fingerprint scanner, so you can store firearms, cash, or jewelry securely while keeping them accessible only to you. Keeping your exterior pristine usually requires a hose, but number 5 is the Cordless High-Pressure Power Washer Gun, a handheld device that draws water from any source, even a bucket or a lake, and pressurizes it to 600 psi using a lithium battery motor, allowing you to blast mud off your wheels or salt off your undercarriage anywhere, anytime, without finding a faucet. If you want to watch Netflix while you charge your EV, number 4 is the AI Box Multimedia Adapter, a dongle that plugs into your car's USB port and tricks the infotainment system into running a full Android OS, letting you stream YouTube, Disney+, and live TV directly on your car's factory screen, bypassing the restrictive software locks of standard CarPlay. In a worst-case scenario, number 3 could save your life. The spring-loaded window breaker and seatbelt cutter, a keychain-sized tool that uses a tungsten steel spike fired by a powerful spring to shatter tempered glass instantly underwater or after a crash, ensuring you are never trapped inside a malfunctioning vehicle. Car theft is rising, especially relay attacks, so number 2 is the Faraday Key Fob Box, a signal-blocking enclosure lined with military-grade RF shielding material that prevents thieves from amplifying your key signal to steal your car from your driveway while you sleep. A simple $20 defense for a $50,000 asset. And finally, the ultimate driving superpower at number 1 is the Thermal Imaging Night Vision Camera, a specialized sensor unit that mounts to your grille and detects heat signatures rather than light, displaying pedestrians, deer, and animals on a dashboard screen as glowing bright white objects against a dark background, allowing you to see through dense fog, smoke, or total darkness up to 1,500 feet away, giving you military-grade situational awareness that goes far beyond what high beams can do. These gadgets prove that you can upgrade your car's IQ without buying a new one, so check the links in the description to grab yours. Let me know which one you'd actually use, and don't forget to subscribe to EonDrive for more future tech finds.